Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench, making shavings. So in the last video, I discussed a lot of these old books. I didn't discuss this one. This one may become our handbook. Well, after all, it says it's a woodworker handbook. Charles H. Hayward, Woodworking Joints. Published 1970, 72, and 73. Copyright 1970. So the jacket has been around the block a little bit. So let's take the jacket off so I don't destroy it. This is when books were hardcover. So it starts off with edge joints. Any of this look familiar to you? About planing an edge joint? Someone I know talked about that. About the alignment and the testing. And how you can create what's known as a sprung joint. Now, the one thing I have not discussed is the use of dowels to increase the strength of an edge joint. Or splines, or tongue and groove. And here's an interesting one. I'm not sure I like this one. It talks about taking screws and putting them in the edge of a board, and those screws go into a slot, and then you slide the two together and it locks. Imagine going in years to come and trying to reclaim a piece of wood that has metal inside of it. Cooper joints, bevel joints, miter joints. Chapter 2, the mortise and tenon. Door making joints. Door frame joints. Cutting a simple mortise and tenon. So this may become our handbook. If I can find a modern printing of this book, I'll leave it a link to it down in the description box. The wedged through tenon. Foxtail wedging. Now that's one that if you can perfect that one, that piece of furniture will never come apart. Boy, this goes into some really elaborate stuff. Do they have any simple stuff? Rule joints, haunch joints. Dovetails. Beveled dovetails. Now that's interesting. Wow. Lots and lots on dovetails. Carcass dovetails. Half blind and mitered. Oh my goodness, the amount of content on dovetails. House joints. A house joint is what we call here in America dado. And then there's rabbet joints, scribe joints. Unbelievable stuff in this book. I would say for the average person, %90 of this book is beyond your capabilities or even beyond your need. So we're going to get into this one. I'm going to reread this one and come up with my own list of joints. Woodworking Joints by Charles Hayward. From what I can recall, and I don't believe I have all of his books, I might have some. I know I have this one. Mr. Hayward wrote quite a few books. So that's about it for this one. Other than making shavings with my plane that shouldn't work the way it does. This is my ECE Knabenhobel. There we go, that's a little better. I hope you found something helpful, useful, maybe entertaining. Head out to your shop and go make some shavings. But not before you like, give it the old thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video. Your good friend Walter.